There could be a couple of showers around this morning, but we're not expecting any severe weather. And even once the storms start to develop later this afternoon, they should be pretty scattered, but they could have some strong wind, hail, a lot of thunder and lightning, and certainly some heavy downpours. And here's kind of a look at our timeline again, so you can kind of plan through your day and your evening. 2 to 8 o'clock, I think, will be the main time frame to see a few of those scattered strong storms from Aliceville to Carrollton to Tuscaloosa, Wyndham Springs, Jasper, Carbon Hill, Nauvoo, and then really for much of Coleman County, down near Warrior, Fultondale, Gardendale, down toward Alabaster, Pelham, and even down into Peach Country. We think the main time frame, excuse me, here will be from about 3 to 9 o'clock later on tonight. And then once you get into East Alabama, kind of the Anniston, Oxford, Mumford, Talladega area over toward Millerville and Ashland, we think between about 4 and 10 o'clock tonight. And you can see on the Futurecast as we head through the mid to latter part of the afternoon, a couple of those storms starting to really fire up through the evening hours. And it's some of those that could contain those strong winds and therefore briefly reach severe limits today. It is a low end threat, though. It is a marginal risk, so we're not expecting a big widespread severe weather outbreak this afternoon. Just a few strong or isolated severe storms later today. So it'll be a pretty narrow window as well. Rain chances come up through the morning hours, and then they kind of top out later on this afternoon, around a 60% chance. You can see just a little bit of light rain crossing over I-20, moving from parts of Shelby County into St. Clair County there. Other than that, Briley, things are pretty quiet. So we'll deal with the storms later today, and then we've got more impact weather coming in late in the week.
Yes, drying out through the middle of the week, so that'll be a nice change. But then looking ahead to the weekend, another storm system moving this way. And the timing is not all that perfect just yet, but heading into Friday, we will see more rain and some thunderstorms. Some of that may come in later on Friday, but you want to plan ahead that Friday will be one of those messy days. And then heading into Saturday, things actually look a little bit drier. We will start with some showers on Saturday, I believe, maybe a thunderstorm too, but then continuing through the afternoon hours, we begin to dry out as that system moves away, and just dealing with some showers through Saturday evening. So the end of the weekend will be a little bit nicer. We do expect a couple inches of rain, especially for communities south of Interstate 20. Models have been pretty consistent with this. I think we'll see a band of 2 to 4 inches, which could cause some flooding down that way. Once you get up to Birmingham, Shelby County, up toward Walker, Winston County, we are really closer to that inch or inch and a half when we're all said and done through the weekend. Here's the 7-day forecast. 70s today, a little bit warmer Wednesday and Thursday when we're seeing more sunshine. And then again, unsettled to begin the weekend, but I think we'll see a nicer day on Saturday and Sunday. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Briley.